We're going to start with our phonological awareness warm-up. So whenever I will give you 3 words, you tell me the 2 that rhyme. Sing, ring, rang.
Sing and ring.
Good job. Sun, moon, bun.
Sun and bun.
Jump, bump, run.
Jump and bump.
Alright. Can you think of 2 words that rhyme with the word ball?
Ball and wall.
Good job. Can you tell me 2 words that rhyme with the word cat?
Rat and bat.
Good job. Alright. When I show you the letter card, you will tell me the letter sound. Good job. Alright. Now, whenever I give you the letter sound, you write it in the sand and tell me the letter. Get your sand ready. Fingers up.
A.
Fingers up.
M.
I.
J.
Good job. You can put your sand up. Alright. Now we will work on blending. Words. Point the computer down to me. Some of these words may be nonsense words, but that's alright. So when I say fingers up, and then I will say ready, and you will point to each card and say the letter sound and then blend it together. For example, I'll say fingers up, ready, go. Fingers up, ready, read.
Lur.
Good job.
Sod. Daff. Nip.
Good job.
Guck.
Good deal. Alright. Now we are going to do our vowel intensive. So, get your vowel sticks ready. And whenever I say the word, you hold up the correct vowel sound. Bat. Cat. Splat. Spit. Rat. rim, sack, skin, good job, gig, slam, slim, and 10. Good job. Our new sound is, we went over it in your Our new sound is ch. Repeat the sound 3 times. Ch, ch, ch. Good deal. And you can tell up here that the key word is chin. That is our keyword sticker. Get your stand out. Now when I say the sound, you will do the same as we did in the past. Fingers up. Ch. Ch.
C-H.
Good deal. Fingers up. Ch. Ch.
C-H.
One more time. Ch. Ch.
C-H.
Can you think of any words that have the ch sound in them?
Lunch.
Lunch. Good deal. Alright, get your pencil out. We're going to dictate some new words. When we have our finger tap mat right there, so your pencil in one hand, finger tap mat in the other. When I say, if I said, for example, the word is chip, I would say ready, pound, you would say the word chip, and then ch, it, chip. Alright, pencils up. The word is chip, ready, pound.
Chip. Ch. It.
Good deal, right. Pencils up. Chop. Ready, pound.
Chop. Ch. Op.
Pencils up. Chin.
Chin. Ch. I. N.
Pencils up. Chum.
Chum. Ch. N.
Pencils up. Chug.
Chug. Ch. G.
Pencils up. Chad.
Chad. Ch. Ad.
Pencils up. Chap.
Chap. Ch. At.
Pencils up. Chat. Ready, pound.
Chat. Ch. At.
Now this word does not follow the ch rule, but we will go over it. The word is such. The ch sound is at the end. Pencils up. Such. Ready, pound.
Such. S. Ch.
give you a clean copy of those words that we can go ahead and read over. The first word is chip.
Chip, chop, chin, chum, chug, chad, chat, chat, such.
Good deal. It looks like you spelled all of those words correctly. Now we will dictate our sentences. I will say the sentence 2 times. You will pound out the sentence, say it, and then write it. The first sentence is, how is his chum? How is his chum? Ready? Pound.
How is his chum?
How many words?
4.
4. Good job. Right. Good deal. Sentence number 2 is, Chip did chop the log. Chip did chop the log. Ready? Pound.
Chip did chop the log.
How many sounds?
5.
Good deal. Ready? Right. Read sentence number 1.
How is his chum? Chip did chop the log.
Good job. It looks like you wrote them correctly on your paper. You are blowing this out of the water. All right. Now we are going to review our red words. When I hold the word up, you will load it and arm tap each word 1 time. For example, my word is 4. 4. F-O-R, 4.
C. S-E-E-C. Has. H-A-S, has. O-F-O. Was. W-A-S, was. His. H-I-S, his. For. F-O-R, for.
Good job. Now I'm going to say the word and you will arm tap while spelling from memory. The.
The. T-H-E-D.
And.
And. A-N-D, and.
Is.
Is. I-S, is.
He.
He. H-E, he.
2.
2. T-O, 2.
The new word is go. Will you please go away? Can you use the word go in a sentence?
Can we go to the beach?
Good job. Now you will write the word with the red word screen in crayon. The word is go. G-O. Write it.
Go. G-O. Go. G-O. Go. G-O.
Good job. Now we will load the word and arm tap the new word while looking at the word you have written on your paper. Ready?
Go. G-O. Go. Go. G-O. Go. Go. G.